3 red Porsches, 3 6-cylinder engines, and 3 Porsche Sports Exhausts. So how about 3 cold starts? Volume up for a little bit of fun on Project 981. Welcome indeed to Project 981. I'm back on the south coast with my friend Stephen's 2 Porsches on this fantastic sunny day. So on my right, 2012 911 Carrera S 991 generation, 3.8 litres, naturally aspirated, no turbo, Gen 1, 400 PS. On my left, a more familiar 2015 Boxster GTS, 3.4 litres, flat 6, 330 PS. And a 2016 Macan GTS 3-litre V6 twin turbo, roughly 360 PS, but possibly a little bit more torque than the Boxster's got. And yes, given the weather, we should probably be out driving them, but they have been sat here overnight, so we've got 3 proper cold starts. So here's the Boxster. Let's just go to position 1, startup sequence initiated. And there you can see 17 degrees on the coolant, 16 on the oil temperature, very definitely ambient. 911 Carrera S, off we go. Let's see what we've got here. And 19 degrees on the coolant and 18 on the oil. So again, very definitely ambient. Macan GTS, right, you know the routine. Key in, position 1, up we go. Clicks and whirs, 20 degrees on both coolant and oil temperature. Now, I'm not going to pick a winner because you can pick a winner, and to be perfectly frank, they all sound freaking awesome, and you'd be very happy to have any one of these 3 cars on your driveway. So my thanks to Stephen. Well, that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. I'll see you for the next one.